Squinting at a dark, muddy screen during a tense movie scene, or dealing with an infuriatingly slow interface that constantly stutters and spins a buffering wheel right when you're trying to unwind after a long day, is an absolute nightmare that turns relaxing into an annoying chore. Relying on basic budget televisions often traps you with clunky menus, washed-out colors, and weak processing that takes forever to open your favorite streaming apps. The newest model Amazon Ember 55-inch 4 Series Smart Fire TV completely rescues you from entertainment lag and pixelated frustration, functioning as a high-velocity, smart connected entertainment workstation engineered to deliver breathtaking cinema scaling and seamless smart home integration. Don't let its ultra-slim, nearly bezel-free aesthetic fool you. This 55-inch display is backed by a powerhouse hardware matrix. What truly establishes its absolute bragging rights is the integration of Amazon's upgraded quad-core processing engine paired with advanced Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. This high-velocity combination slashes app load times and UI navigation lag by up to 30%, meaning your menus glide seamlessly and 4K streams initialize almost instantly. Utilizing a crisp 4K Ultra HD panel that supports both HDR10+ and HLG, it continuously optimizes contrast scene by scene, pulling hidden details out of ink black shadows and projecting vibrant, true-to-life colors that standard 1080p displays completely miss. Engineered to serve as a stunning, active focal point even when you aren't binge-watching, this newest Generation 4 series introduces Amazon's custom OmniSense technology to power the ambient experience. Built-in smart sensors automatically detect when you step into the room, instantly waking the display from its idle state to showcase premium lifestyle photography, fine artwork, or helpful personal widgets without burning excess energy. It completely eliminates endless scrolling fatigue via the included Alexa voice remote, letting you find your favorite shows across over 1 million movies and episodes with quick near-field voice commands, while natively supporting Dolby audio to pump out crystal-clear dialogue. From streaming hundreds of free live TV channels to controlling your smart home ecosystem with your voice, it is the ultimate, stress-free upgrade for cord cutters and movie lovers who demand top-tier speed and continuous visual luxury. Click the link below to lock in the absolute best price on this newest model. Drop a comment letting me know if you're deploying this Ember 55-inch 4 Series to anchor your main living room setup or upgrading your bedroom home theater. Make sure to smash that subscribe button for more smart TV showcases, home entertainment gear reviews, and premium tech breakdowns, and I will see you in the next video.